Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over my super simple, quick and easy Walgreens haul, and this turned out so perfect. Everything went really good, and it turned out to be completely free, plus a $5 money maker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this super simple, quick and easy Walgreens pickup order. So, I think I told you all last week that I received a spend booster for spend $25, get back $6 in Walgreens cash for this week. So that is what I'm working with for this deal. Now, as we go through, I'm going to pop up the little screenshots so that you can take your screenshot and you can mix and match and do your deals however you want. You can do them individually. You can throw them in together with a spin deal. You can mix and match however you want to work these deals. So that is that. And then I also wanted to remind you guys, I did post this on my stories yesterday. I just figured out how to work the stories on YouTube. But I did post that I have received my new digital spin booster for next week. So I'll pop that up here on the screen for you so that you guys will know kind of what I'll be working with next week. So definitely go ahead and check your accounts and make sure you go ahead and clip that to your account before it disappears. And I think that is it for the housekeeping items. So let's go ahead and jump right into these deals. So first up, we have Gillette shave products. So we have the shave foam and the Gillette aftershave gel. These are priced at $2.99 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So you're going to pay $2.99 for one, and then you're going to pay $1.49 for the other. So you can pick up two of the shave foams or two of these aftershave gels, or you can mix and match. I decided to mix and match. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $4.48. There are no digital coupons used in this deal. It is just an amazing deal. So you can do this as many times as you would like. So $4.48, and then you are going to receive $4 in Walgreens cash back for purchasing two. I'm not sure if I said it already or not, but you can pay that $4.48 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. I'm really doing my homework on these deals, guys. So since it is a buy deal, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. All right, so that makes your final price just 48 cents for both of these, making these just 24 cents each. So I think that is a really good deal. All right, moving right along here, we have Dove deodorant. Now you can do this deal on the men's or the women's deodorants. This deal, it doesn't give you any rewards back. It's just a really good deal, and I wanted to include it with my spend deal. So the Dove deodorants, men's or women's, these are on sale this week too for $11. We have a high value 7 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to use that, and that's going to leave you paying $4 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay, making these just $2 each. So I thought that was a really good little deal there, and that 7 off 2 coupon does expire this week. So if you want to use it, you have to use it this week before Saturday. The deals will end Saturday. Those coupons will expire on Saturday. All right, next up we have a really quick little freebie here. We have the Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion, 6 fluid ounces. These are priced at $3.99 in the app. I'm not sure if there would be more in the store, but if you're going to do this as a pickup order, this is a really good little freebie. So these are $3.99. We have a 2 off 1 IVC store coupon, and we have a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon. Now, let me tell you guys, when I added this, when I was searching for this item on the app, it was not showing me that I had that 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon. But once I added it to my cart, both of those coupons applied. And even when I went back into the app and looked under my redeemed coupons after I had completed my order, the 2-off-1 Lubriderm manufacturer coupon was still not showing up. So I can't show you all a picture of what that looks like, but I did include the little clip of it where it was taken off of my order down there at the bottom, if you can see that. So add this to your cart for $3.99. That IVC store coupon is going to take off $1.99, and then the manufacturer coupon will take off $2, making this completely free. And you know what? I was thinking, even if the manufacturer coupon doesn't apply, that's still a pretty good little deal for Lubriderm. We normally don't get a whole lot of great deals on this kind of lotion. So even if that 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon doesn't apply, that will leave you paying, what, $1.99? So still a really good deal, whether or not you have that manufacturer apply or not. But good little freebie there. Next up, I have this awesome deal. So for this one, we're going to pick up 3 Oral-B products. Now, you can choose to pick up like the Crest toothpaste that is on promotion this week for $3. I think there's also some mouthwash as well. But you want to pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrushes or the toothpaste, I'm pretty sure, for $3. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the toothbrush, and we also have a 2-off-1 for the toothpaste, and I'm not sure on the mouthwash, but definitely on the toothbrushes or the toothpaste for $3. Then you're going to want to pick up 2 of these Oral-B Super Floss. I'm not even sure, let's see here. Ideal for braces, bridges, wide spaces. So these are also $3 each this week. So 2 of these and 1 of these, that's going to put you at $9. That 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon for the toothbrush is going to come off at the register or in your order, and that is going to bring you down to $7. So you're going to need to pay that out of pocket because we do have 2 promotions that are stacking. This deal is giving us back a $5 register reward. If I can find it here. A $5 register reward that is a store coupon. And also a $4 register reward. Now this one is a manufacturer coupon. So we have 2 promotions that is stacking with this deal. So that makes it completely free plus a $2 money maker. So that is an amazing little deal there. All right. And that is it for the entire pickup order. Pretty quick, simple, and easy, right guys? Now I also received, when you do your pickup orders, you always want to go in and pick them up at the register because you never know whether or not they're going to include your little goodies throw them in your bag or whatever. So I always go in and pick them up at the photo counter. So there's my 2 register rewards that I received back. I also received this booster for next week, possibly. This is a spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash. So maybe I will be stacking this with my digital booster. We'll just have to see what the deals look like for next week. And we do have, I kind of skimmed through the ad preview, and it does look like we will have some pretty good deals next week. So we'll see how that works. So we are going to go on to this next slide. We're going to go over my subtotal, all of the rewards that I received back, and final price. All right, guys, so here's a quick overview of my transaction. So my subtotal before any coupons were applied was $28.47. I used $1 in Walgreens cash, and I had a $2 IVC store coupon. So after those $3 were taken off, my subtotal after coupons was $25.47. Then all of my manufacturer coupons applied, and that brought my total down to $14.48. And I did pay that out of pocket, but I did receive back $19 in rewards. That does include $6 in Walgreens cash for the spin booster, $4 in Walgreens cash for the Gillette, and then the $5 register reward and the $4 register reward on that Oral-B deal. And that makes my final price completely free plus a $4.52 moneymaker. So I thought that was a really awesome deal. And considering, guys, we're just doing all of the shopping from home, add it to your cart, hit that pickup button, and then go up to Walgreens and pick it up, 30 minutes later or so, and you're good to go. You got all of these products for free, plus you've made a little bit of money. So let's go ahead and go over this next deal. All right, guys, so this next deal is another amazing deal, and this is a month-long deal. So try to get your hands on these coupons that I'm about to show you and run out and grab these up. So I did this deal twice. If you haven't already heard about it, we're going to go through it right now. And I'm also going to go back because I didn't realize that this was working on the bags of Godiva, however you want to say it. Let me see if I have a little picture here. Yeah, actually I do. So this deal is also working on the bags that look like this. It's Godiva masterpieces. And then there's a couple more that it's working on as well. So here is the deal. These are on sale this week, 2 for $7. You want to pick up 3. You can do this as a pickup order if you don't have insert coupons. If you have insert coupons, this is going to be completely free plus a moneymaker. So pick up 3 of the Godiva chocolates at $10.50. We have a 2 off 2 IVC store coupon. Now the digital coupon is showing up as it expires today, which really doesn't make any sense. But we do have the coupon still in the booklet, and this one doesn't expire until December 25th. So it is 2 off 2, and you'll just have to give this to the cashier at the register. They'll scan it, and it's going to take off a total of $3. Okay, so that's going to bring you down from $10.50 minus $3. What is it? $7.50. And if you don't have any manufacturer coupons, you can stop right there. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, and this is a manufacturer register reward, and that makes those about $1 a box. And these are pretty good little sized boxes. I mean, great for gift giving or stocking stuffers or co-workers or whatever. But here's how I did the deal. So again, pick up 3 at $10.50. Use the 2 off 2 IVC coupon in the booklet. That's going to take off a total of $3. And I have these insert coupons for $1.25 off 1. This is from the 1121 Smart Source, and I had 3 of those for each transaction. So I used 3 of those. That took off a total of $3.75. You're going to pay $3.75 out of pocket. You're going to receive back that $4 register reward. Let me make sure. Yeah, that is the correct one. So $4 register reward makes it completely free plus a 25-cent moneymaker. So how awesome is that? I was very surprised that my store even had any in stock because usually when we have a deal like this, the couponers are all over it. But luckily they still had some, and I'm about to run back up there and grab some of those assorted bags of the Godiva chocolate. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but you guys know what I mean. So this one, and you may have different ones at your store. This one is dark chocolate, double chocolate. This one over here is milk chocolate, coconut crunch. So sounds pretty good to me. And like I said, great little Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, whatever you would like to do with them. And I also received another one of these 20% off boosters. 20% off your next $10 or more purchase of a regular priced item. And this one is good until next week. So there are all of my deals for this week, and we're going to go over my entire haul and final price. Alright guys, so here's a picture of everything that I purchased this week at Walgreens, and if you add all 3 transactions up and all of my rewards up, Everything was completely free, plus I made $5.52 this week just shopping at Walgreens. So Walgreens basically paid me to take these items out of this store. So how awesome is that? I don't think you can get any better than being paid to shop, right? Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can run out and grab up some of these deals. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.